Hey guys, this is Ball104 again. Remember I showed you this unit? Well, it turns out someone on YouTube told me that this is a Leigh, L-E-I-G-H, Leigh exhaust fan with 2 lights. So, like I said, this is a Leigh unit though. Manufacturing either 50s or the 60s. Just gonna make a quick test run. It actually starts out weekly though. It starts out weekly though, but after a while it gets, better. One last thing, folks, if any of you have a Leigh exhaust fan like this, let me know. Let me give it one final star, then I'll close. Oh, and hold up. And I'll just show you how powerful this unit is. Well, it is powerful though. Well, thanks for watching y'all.